Okay, this is me, OMG Fat, and Dragon Force 39 here. Thank you for making us popular around school. Let's just hope we can get that around the States, maybe. Alright? We're going to turn on the fan, we're going to turn on the light, and the emo cat. Listen to the music she's listening to. Get a room. Ain't that right, dude? Back to dun 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 dun. Oh, bye, emo cat. Get a room. Just not my room. And
That's a weenie.
what's a weenie? It's a chick. What are you doing? Dude, my drumstick is not to be shoved up chickens' butts. Well, I guess that's it.
Candy is good.
Muffins are better. Do you disagree? Do you?
Disagree.
You do?
Yes.